The success in establishing freshly laid turf depends greatly on proper site preparation and soil preparation. Spending time on preparation will help to ensure the best growing conditions and establishment of your freshly laid instant turf. How to prepare the site for instant turf installation. Prepare the site with the following steps will ensure successful establishment for your instant turf. Clear the site from weeds, rocks and sticks. Dig the surface to a depth of 10 to 15 centimetres. Add quality sandy loam soil of around 10 centimetres, making sure the soil level is 3 centimetres below paths and driveways. Slope the soil away from buildings to avoid flooding. Rake the soil for an even surface. Apply quality lawn starter fertiliser. Instant turf can now be applied. Site clearance. The first step is to clear the area of any debris such as rocks, sticks, weeds or stones. Dig the area evenly to a depth of around 10 to 15 centimetres, making sure that the soil slopes away from the house. This will improve drainage, therefore reducing wet patches and flooding near buildings. Soil preparation. It is important to prepare the soil properly before laying new lawn. Add a good quality topsoil around 10 centimetres in depth. A sandy loam topsoil is best and can be top dressed with turf sand if required. Make sure the soil level is 3 centimetres lower than any paths or driveways. This will ensure an even surface for mowing after the turf has been laid. Rake the soil so the surface is free of any pits or rises. This will give you better results for an even lawn surface and easy mowing. Next, add a good quality lawn starter fertiliser to the soil before laying the fresh turf. When you are happy with the appearance of your soil surface, you may then apply the correct instant lawn for the weather conditions for your area for which you live.